Hey guys, how's you doing? I hope you are okay. So let's get down to the business. I'm gonna show you how to activate the developer mode on your Samsung phone. Alright, so it is very easy. So we just need to go to settings, scroll down, click on about phone, software information, and now we're gonna press continuously build number. Keep pressing and it will show you the developer mode has been activated. So if we go back, if you scroll down, you will see the developer options. So now the developer mode has been activated. So that will be all for this video, guys. I hope it was really helpful for you. If it was like so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your like and comments. So I'll see you in the next video.